Here's a quick tip on Layer Manager. You can type the command LMAN and that will bring up the Layer Manager dialog box, and you can save layer settings that don't happen to match it up with our standard layer settings. So in this one I have created a grading plan with an image in there that we can trace, and I can just double click it and go to that. You can also go to LMAN, and here's one for tracing the survey. And if you wanted to make changes, you could, let's say, turn on some other layers. Let's say this layer, which is going to be on the athletic layer, and I can type LMAN, and under this one hit update. And you want to update it? Yes. Again, there's the grading, and if I go back to the survey trace, you can see it's been updated to add that one layer that I just did. So that's a quick way to save layers that don't fall under our standard layer convention system, but you can also update it, create new ones, rename them or delete them. It's pretty functional and easy to use tip there.